Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to fold a hoodie properly. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this hoodie. Now obviously you want to try this on a flat surface, but I'm experienced in this, so I can do this on a car seat, as you can see right here. So basically you want to go with the hoodie facing down. So the zipper side of the hoodie or the front of the hoodie is facing down. We're looking at the back of the hoodie. You want to start off by getting one sleeve. Okay, you want to fold it inwards like this, where the seam of the sleeve is. Fold it inwards like that, and then fold it down like that towards the middle of the hoodie. Same thing with the other sleeve. We're going to take the other sleeve, fold it inwards like this, and then down. You want them to sort of match up as much as possible, okay? So we've done that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take each side of the hoodie, and we're going to fold it in towards the center to line up with the edge of the actual hood. So you can see we have the edge of the hood right there and there. We're going to fold this side in, okay, right to the edge of the hood, as you can see right there. Same with the other side, folding it in right to the edge of the hood, as you can see right there, okay? Now what we're going to do is you have two options. The first option is you can fold it in half like that. That's one option. That is a version, and it gives you a little bit of a longer profile, but I like this option, which is to sort of fold it in thirds. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to fold it in a third like that, fold it one more time in a third like this, okay? So here's the hoodie sweater part. As you can see, here's the actual hoodie. Now what we can do at this point is we can take our hood, check this out, take your hood, and I'll flip it over so you can see. So this is where the front would be, where the logo would be. As you can see, this is the top front of the sweater. So I'm gonna take my hood, and I can actually wrap the entire sweater inside of the hood, like this. So you can wrap your entire sweater inside of your hood, take your strings, pull on your strings like that, check it out. You have a hoodie sweater that has been sort of bundled up like that, okay? Really easy, won't come undone, and you can still see the logo, you can see the color. It's absolutely beautiful in my opinion. Sorry about the poor lighting, but that's just what it looks like right now. So as you can see, beautiful. The other option, I like this option the best. This is how I fold all my hoodies. The other option is take your hood, okay? What you want to do is fold your hood in half, like that, and then just put your hand in there, fold it down like that. That's the other option right there. But I personally like the option where you pick up your sweater and you wrap your hood around the actual sweater portion like that. And then you pull on the strings. And as you can see right here, we folded up our hoodie, and it's nice and compact, easy to work with. It's literally that simple. Once again, just to reiterate, because I know the lighting is pretty bad and I can't see what you're seeing in the camera when I'm doing the maneuvers. But basically, we're taking our sweater, here's the hoodie, okay? And I'm going through the back. We're going over the back of the sweater, as you can see right there, pulling the sweater into the hood, pulling on the strings, just like that. That is literally, in my opinion, the most professional way to fold a hoodie. It's as easy as that. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Very, very simple way to fold a hoodie. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.